welcome to the DSA Team 101 videos. I'm Mr. DSA Team. Today we have a special guest, Dayana.
Hi everybody.
She claims to be Miss DSA Team. Is she up to it? Does she deserve that name, that title? But today we're going to find out.
So we're going to learn how to build.
We're going to learn, and she's already starting wrong. We're not building anything. We're going to teach her how to install the LED rings, our newest addition to the DSA Team 2018 lineup.
So if I can learn how to install it, anybody can learn.
Exactly. She got the spirit. Now she has a DSA Team talent.
I bet I do.
Exactly. Let's find out. First, I'm going to show you guys a quick feature of what these DSA Team rings are all about. They're made out of plexiglass or acrylic. They're see-through. They have RGB lights in the inside. This is a perfect match to make your sound system look amazing in the dark or at night. It's a quick touch, easy to install. That's why we have her here. And it's pretty cool.
So it's a party in my car.
A party in your car or anywhere you want to have a party. Now you have lights, so it's going to look a lot nicer, awesome.
So how many colors does it come in?
It comes in with the three basic colors, which is red, green, and blue.
Okay.
But when you add these together, you mix them up, you can get purple, you can get yellow, white, even light blue. So there's more colors to it once they do the programming. Here we have a setup with our DSA Team RF controller, and we also have the DSA Team Bluetooth device with the DSA Team app. You guys can see here.
So I should download the DSA Team app
once
to play around with the colors.
Exactly. You can, once you get the DSA Team module, you just download the app and you just click it. And on the app, you see you have multiple functions and all the colors available. You can also take advantage and use the DSA Team RF controller, just in case you don't want to download the app to your phone.
So I have two ways to play with the colors.
Exactly, two ways. Or, let's say you don't want the controller or the module or the Bluetooth module, you can also wire it up to a 12-volt system.
So three options.
Three options.
Have all these colorful colors in my car.
Exactly. You're going to have fun either way.
Perfect.
So let's turn these on. Just leave them on so you guys can see. This also has multiple functions. So we turn it on. You can change the colors here. It has some functions here. You can put it in strobe mode. You can put it in fade mode. You can put the speed up, speed down, brightness up, brightness down. In there. So that's the DSA Team RF module.
Pretty cool.
Now let's teach Dayana how to install the LED RGB rings in a speaker.
So what is this for?
Okay, that's a DSA Team grill.
Okay.
Since we all know your favorite color is green, we brought the blue.
No, it's not.
Okay, so blue is our favorite color. Just to let you guys know that DSA Team also has these sports grills available in all colors. That's green, red, yellow, white, silver, black, and...
I can switch it around.
Did I say blue? Yeah.
And blue, of course.
So we have a DSA Team 6.5 mid-range right here. Dayana's going to install the grill, and she's going to install the RGB LED lights underneath the speaker. There's no wood here, but it's like the idea so you guys can see that the installation is very easy. Like she said, if she can do it, you can do it.
I said it.
Okay. So the first thing you want to do, you want to line up the grill with the DSA Team speaker and the logo.
Perfect.
Holes should match up and fit perfectly.
Okay, so it's line up on top. So what is the next step?
So now you're going to install the ring. So grab a screw.
Okay.
Align the speaker with the grill.
Okay. Okay. There
now
you
you put the speaker over the ring.
Okay.
Line it up. Make sure the screw and the holes fit perfectly.
Okay, perfection.
You see? That easy. Now let's turn the speaker around so that you can see how the installation should go.
Let's turn it around.
Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys. She's still going to do it, but I'm just going to show you guys. Here's where Dayana put the ring, and you can see that the installation starts from here. So we recommend for you to hide the wire. Either you can go several times around the speaker.
Okay.
depending how long you want the wire.
Okay.
And you just bring it out in one of these slots where there's no holes.
Okay.
So let's say
Right here.
right? So
Perfect.
let's turn the speaker around again. Now, these are connected to the modules. Let's use this 12-volt DSA Team battery.
So I'm gonna turn it on.
You're gonna turn it on.
Okay. So we're gonna make what color? Red.
You want it red? Let's do red.
Okay.
So
Okay. So now the next one.
you can just hold it together and it will light up.
Pretty cool.
So she picked red. Her favorite color is blue, but she picked red.
Mix and match.
Yeah, it's just an example of what you can do and how easy you can do it. She did it. It didn't take her that much time. We have here installed the 12-inch sub, the 8-inch speaker. You can see it goes underneath the speaker and in the box. It's already bolted down. The speaker's in the air. We just want to show you guys how it looks.
Pretty cool. I can do it.
Exactly, she did it. So there you have it. If she did it, you can do it.
I can do it. I proved myself.
She hasn't proven herself this was an easy installation, so let's find out on our next video. Let's do
another one.
something more challenging. Does Dayana deserve to be Miss DSA Team? Leave your comments below. Vote yes, vote no. Share this video, give her a like. Keep watching more DSA Team 101 videos. I'm Mr. DSA Team with special guest, Dayana.
Miss DSA Team.
Not yet. Visit us at dsateam.com. We like it loud.